Hi, my name is Wade Webster. I'm the soybean pathology extension specialist here at NDSU. And today we're going to be talking about sudden death syndrome that's starting to appear across the southeast corner of the state. And so today we're standing in a field. We can see a lot of SDS around us, or sudden death syndrome. And some of the common identifying factors for this particular disease are going to be these leaf foliar symptoms. So at the beginning of this disease onset, we're going to see some slight yellowing of these leaf tissue that will eventually turn into these more mature leaves, which we call intraveinal chlorosis and necrosis, in which these veins of these leaflets turn a bright dark green, and then we also see some yellowing and some browning in between those leaf veins. Eventually, these leaves will start to fall off the plants, and these plants will have the petioles still remaining attached. And as you can see, this plant here is very weak. It is no longer able to be photosynthetically active, and these pods are not going to be able to fill anymore. Another key diagnostic for identifying sudden death syndrome is going to be pulling plants and looking on that root tissue for blue fungus. Now, this blue fungus is not present on this particular plant, and it is not required for every identification, but we will typically see it around that taproot area of that plant. The last identifying factor here is taking a knife near top 6 inches above that soil line and slowly shaving away at that tissue. And as we do that, we can see this cortex tissue of that plant will look slightly browned or bruised in coloration. Now, that is a really good indicator of sudden death syndrome. And again, this is an issue that is developing across the southeast corner of the state at the moment across soybean fields.